Uh, Hi guys. So we just woke up. Yeah, we look bad, but we decided to do the cinnamon challenge today. So Savannah's just gonna stand there
You
awkwardly.
swallowed really loud.
She's gonna stand there awkwardly and not say anything like she did with the guys
Sorry.
who were hanging out with us.
I'm sorry.
So anyway, I guess we're gonna do this now.
On 3.
I'm kind of scared.
I'm not scared.
I am.
Okay.
What if we die?
We're not gonna
And what if
die.
we're like?
No one has ever died. I promise, okay? Alright.
Okay.
1,
2,
2, 3.
I might throw up. I can't. I just fumed.
Oh man. Dude, it's still in my mouth.
I fumed! Shut up! Ew, that water's hot! Ah, hot water! Okay, that was gross. Ew! Fuck you! Ugh. Okay, well. Yeah. I puked in my sink. So, yeah, that sucked. Okay, well, bye.